Hey friends, spend the weekend with me as a long distance mom. So this weekend was pretty busy for me, or I should say I keep busy on the weekends whenever I'm off work in order to stay sane basically because when I'm at home alone in the house, that doesn't work. So I just make sure I stay busy. So on Sabbath I went to church, which was pretty amazing. On Sunday I cooked and I did braid install, and then on Monday I did laundry. So come with me on my journey of a typical weekend in my life. Happy Sabbath, boys and girls, and happy Sabbath, bigger boys and girls. All right, so which one of you would like to become a mason when you grow up? A builder, a construction worker? All right, so I have one question. What type of tree did Solomon ask King Hiram to cut down? So I'm supposed to do laundry today. My laundry basket is all packed. That's not a laundry basket, whatever that is. That's a cart. So I have to push it to a laundromat. But first I need to cook, so I'm running out to the store. Well, I really feel like I could get up, go back now. I'm up from like 5 a.m. and it's now like 9 something, almost 10 o'clock. And I should have washed, but I haven't gotten a chance. I just felt like I didn't want to get out of bed. Yeah, go out of the supermarket, buy some fish. I live pretty close to the store, although they're so expensive. Very, very expensive. But I have so much to do today. I'm gonna cook. I have laundry to do. I have 2 year to do. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so come with me. I just want a little basket because I'm in one. Alright. So we need some okra. I'm talking a little bad. I have corn at home, I have pumpkin at home. I just need okra. Did the price on me? $4? Alright, let me see. Everything good. This is how I test my okra. Like, here, let me see them pop freely. Sweet potatoes to be the closest to the Jamaican ones. They call it fresh batata tropical. You see the price? So me just buy. Oh, thank God I myself alone me I buy it for because otherwise I couldn't afford to feed my family because food is so expensive. It's so expensive here. So then two little one me I buy. I need a bag. Alright, I have a plan, but I think I want some green bananas to boil. It's like 97 cents a pound. Okay. If you want to look at them, can go on. Yeah, I'm gonna take this bag. It's like 6. I'm gonna use all 6 of them. Look. Probably can make porridge with 3 of them tomorrow morning. Let's see what we can find. All these things, my hope too. It's a goal of mine to stop eating meat. You see all them chicken here? Them look fancy, but these things are filled with all kind of chemicals. I'm like, why? Until that time, oh my goodness, they don't have no snapper. We balling parrot. You can't eat no fish today. Then you have to find something else to buy. Because if I not snapper, me not go buy it. It don't make no sense. The branzino. I don't know what these are. Wild. This is crazy. See all them here? Not my cup of. You don't have any snapper? Excuse me?
I'm waiting.
You're waiting on it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, some today.
I don't know, that's like less than $10 in my card, but I don't know what else we need. The man said the fish are coming like an hour. I'm gonna have to come back, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna check out now because in the meantime I'll just like go home and prepare the vegetables, cut up the stuff, and then I don't know what else I could do in the meantime. And then I come back to get the fish. Well, I hope them fresh, because all this walking back and forth. Well, it's good exercise. So, while I wait on the fish, I know I have. Yes. So I have this mat from June. I went to camp in June. And I've been meaning to wash this mat from when? Is it a mat or a carpet? It doesn't matter, a mat. Rug. Anyway. From I went to camp in June and I brought it to glamp up my tent, and I've been meaning to wash it, but I didn't get to it. I met the whole summer done. I don't know, I guess me just in the mood today for wash it, so I go wash it while I wait for the fish. Mercy. I have not done this type of thing in so long. You feel good, you see? Mercy. Mercy. Why am I washing this? It's not even that dirty. But I want to wash it because then it's been sitting down all long. I hope it dry and then it not get moldy, because we don't have a lot of sunshine days. I don't know how far the sun I go take it to the boat. We will see. Ooh, we will see how it goes. Water cold, you see? Mercy. Mercy. What am I doing myself? Only God knows. I'm not so dirty to do, so I'm not going to take long. Ooh, mercy. Lord, this is cold. Shoot. Ay. Okay, I don't want to mess it up. Anyway, put some soap on it. Alright. And then I'm gonna get to work. Yes. I feel like a toddler. Oh my goodness. Alright, goody. Enough me did enough here because that's up here. It's not as easy as it seems or as I thought. So I'm clean. Good. Alright, there she goes. She's all clean and hanging loose. So I'm back at the store. They have a few snappers. Last week it was like $10 a pound. This week $12. So when I came back, the guy was like, not too many. Don't have a lot. So I will pick up a few, maybe 3. They look pretty fresh. No, like, well, of course, since I $12 a pound and I can't buy no more than 2 pounds, I'm gonna get 1. They look pretty fresh too. I like that one here, but 3. So I got the fish. The 3 fish were $20. 19 something dollars. Anyways, I'm going to deal with them now. Clean them up. Wash them down. Then clean up people do. Well clean. Okay, I have a little piece of pumpkin. I don't know how many I go to them yet, but I will see. lie. This is not no Jamaican nothing but hot Jamaican pepper. Lie them I tell. Lie, lie, lie. Have the okra. Oh, I have a corn. The corn is shriveled up. Why the corn looks so? Okay, let's see. Alright. We're not doing no dash way. See what we can do with him. This corn here. Oh my goodness. There, don't cut yourself. Get off. Good. Well, I can go on. I ended up making curried fish in coconut milk, and it was so delicious. I then went to braid my client's hair, but I ended up only doing one client today. So on Monday, which was the next day, obviously Monday come after Sunday, I went to the laundromat. Yeah, it's pretty close to home, like less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes walk. So I walked with my cart, went to the laundromat. So a funny story about the first time I used a laundromat. I never knew how to do it. I read the instructions and thought that I understood it. But anyways, I put the coins in the machine first without even loading the clothes the very first time, and the machine started washing with no clothes in it. So I had to go to the lady and tell her that, I misunderstood the instructions. So I think she put some coins in the machine and allowed me to not lose my money. Anyways, so these machines, the smaller ones use like 14 quarters and the bigger ones 23 quarters. So I guess one advantage of going to the laundromat is that you're kind of forced to just fold your clothes there and then, which is not the best part of laundry for me. I don't like folding clothes, but yeah, something that I gotta do. But it was a very productive weekend and I am so grateful. So catch you next time in my next vlog.